Ryan Little.
So we got the front splitter right here. We got the rear side splats and the side skirts. And these are the tools that are hopefully going to get me through the job. I hope they'll work. I bought this because my jack is way too heavy and too big to be transporting. So I bought this little one to hopefully just get my car up, get them on the jack stands to put the side skirts on. So I believe all I have to do is take off that bumper to put on the front splitter. The car doesn't need to be jacked up for that. So we finally got the bumper off the car, so now I can put the front splitter onto the front bumper. It's hot as shit out here, it's like 110. I'm gonna take a short water break and get back to it. Basically everything on both ends is lined up perfectly, so we're going to start doing the drilling into the bumper and then screwing it in, and we can put the bumper back onto the car. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. There's no going back now. Alright, officially got the first screw in. Alright, so we officially got the front splitter on the front bumper. It took a little while, mainly trying to get this thing off the car, period. It was a learning curve for me. I missed a few pop clips, so I was getting stuck on there. So now I have the daunting task of trying to put it back onto the car. That bumper is an absolute bitch to put back on. It took me a good hour. One side down, one more to go, and I'm finally done with all this shit. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, nothing about that, and I mean nothing about that, was easy. I had the hardest time putting on the bumper. Like, taking it off was easy, obviously. But trying to put that bumper back on was the most difficult struggle of my entire life, and I had several mental breakdowns. Why it just wouldn't fit. It wouldn't line up. It made no sense. I would get one side on, like the left side, and then the other side just wouldn't line up. It just one side would go on, but the other wouldn't. And then I would get the other side on, and the other side would pop off. I don't know what the secret is to putting this bumper back on, but I finally got it, thank God. And everything is on. So I finished everything. I got the side skirts on, I got the front splitter on, and I'm gonna go wash the car and do a final reveal with some like cinematics of the car. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this install video of the front splitter and the side skirts. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be doing with the car as of currently, because I've been using friends' garages and families' garages, basically anyone who will let me use their garage. But I have a low glow kit that's going to go on the car, but I'm moving in 2 months into a house with a garage. So I'm just waiting, and like, I'm just gonna let the car sit as it is for now, because it's gonna be so much easier once I have my own garage to be able to do everything that I need to do on this car. Transporting everything, the jack in the car, it's just a pain in the ass. So we are currently looking for a house. We're gonna get a garage, and then I can start doing everything. I know I wanna put bags on the car. That's probably the next step. I gotta get some more suspension parts and get everything for the bags. But yeah, so probably bags next. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.